What comes in the box? Hey mama, just a reminder, you are exactly what your child needs, so never doubt that. Inside your Z2 double electric breast pump box, you'll find everything you need to get started. Here's a quick rundown of what's included. User manual. All the details you need to know about your Z2 pump. Be sure to give it a read. Custom stickers, designed by one of our fellow mamas here at Zomee. Quick start guide and nipple measuring tool. Everything you need to get started quickly and comfortably. Narrow neck adapters, tubing adapters, duckbill valves, and 2 stands for your bottles. USB-C charging cable and an adapter. Breast shields. 2 sizes, 21mm and 24mm, plus a fully assembled breast shield kit, including bottles, duckbill valves, breast shield bodies, and diaphragm caps. Motor, with a handy lanyard for easy on-the-go use. Please be sure to use the stands when pumping to prevent your bottles from tipping over. Your box includes 2 breast shield sizes, but if you need a different size, we're happy to provide a courtesy pair. Just reach out to our customer support team. You'll also find an extra set of duckbill valves so you can replace them as needed, typically between the 1 to 3 month mark. A quick reminder, never wash your tubing. Keep it dry and clear through your pumping journey to ensure optimal performance. Included in your box, you'll also find narrow neck adapters that allow you to use narrow bottles with your breast shield kits, as well as discs that can replace the nipples in your bottles for added convenience. Finally, we've included wide neck adapters and bottle caps. To ensure your pump charges properly, always use the Zomee original charger and adapter. And there you have it, a great pump plus all the accessories you need to make your pumping experience as smooth as possible. Happy pumping!